Guys, my name is Anirudh.
My name is Shreyas.
And today we are going to play the new game Royal Battletown. This is a game from Naxx, which is a good game. We are playing this game for about a month, and we are satisfied with the result. Today we are going to show how to hijack the helicopter first. So this is our house where we get the missions over here. Meet the Jackson. I don't like doing all those missions. So this channel is actually my cousin brother Shreyas. I'm just borrowing this. I'm just doing this video for today. Kick and that was. Oh, where did she go? Okay. Now, when we come to this location from the house, I'll show you now. We were over here in the house. Go straight and take the left turn. At that corner, you will get this vehicles over here. I took the SUV. The good thing about this is that we can shoot when we are inside the car also. First, we have to take the route map to the military base. The base is actually very far over here. So, from our house, we have to go through one bridge and reach. Okay, now to go there, first we have to. Oh, wait, I have another thing. Everywhere in the city you will find these small chests. If you will open, and many of the ammos will be over here. I don't know how to spell this. Ammos or Amos. Don't know. But I think I've met traffic jam. First I have to clear it. My SUV vehicle. Or there's a song. I've turned off the music, so if everything what is recording will be clear for you all. The thing about this game, I liked the new improvement of Naxx, but the vehicles are not so advanced and modern. And it's a bit difficult to drive. I'm not a good driver in these games, but of course I'll show you another game of Naxx, Stickman Rope Hero, in another video. If you just dash any police vehicle, you'll get a star, which I have got, and police come out. Oh, I think I'm going to burst. Oh, go back. Go. Shit, I'm stuck. No. It's a lady police who has got me off the outside. I think this vehicle is not there now. I have to make sure I take the police vehicle now. This will happen many times in Naxx. I'll turn off the music so everything will get clear for you. The traffic jam was this a small difference. If you run out of the red zone, you will be good. I'm following the purple line on the map, and I have reached till here. Where I see a tank. here is the tank. Oh, and if you go near the tank, they'll kill us. So it's a good way. Run away from the tank. Yeah. Somehow make your way upon this hill. Without the notice and without the notice, you can take the helicopter. And if you see over here, these are dropping trampolines. I think they are swimming. That was that's how easy it is to get a helicopter. If you get even professional in this, it will be easier for you. But the bad thing is there's only bullets. Missiles are not present in this helicopter. You have to take separately a tank. Oh, chest. In this game, we have found 2 chests and a lot of cash. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and press the bell button for more fun videos. Thanks. See you next time. Bye, guys. Thank you.